Once upon a time, our galaxy is only a small part of the universe. Did you ever wondered how did our universe and Earth come into existence? Scientists believe that the Big Bang Theory was a beginning of creation of our universe. It was occurred about 13.73 billion years ago. According to them, there was nothing when the Big Bang started. They believed that there was a tiny hot point consist of matter, which had the potential to burst and create something. At this point, it started to burst to create the universe, also created the space and energy, then the planets were also created after a few billion years, and the Earth was also formed. Some scientists believe that maybe there was a universe before the Big Bang happens, since it has the capability to expand and contract. The old universe might have collapsed, and then bounced back again with a new Big Bang. Scientists believe that there were many other universes as well that exists. In 1920s, astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that universe is not static. It is expanding and contracting continuously. There was a dark energy that is making the universe to expand and accelerate. At a larger rate that happens many years ago. There are many galaxies apart from our galaxy that are moving further and further away. According to scientists, the planets, stars, and galaxies have only 4% of what the whole universe is made of. The 96% left is still unknown or not yet seen. The universe is infinite and has no end. Scientists believe that the universe is not a closed sphere but a sheet of paper that has no boundaries. That's the end of our story about Big Bang Theory. Now let us move on to what is the Earth consists of. According to NASA and geological studies, the Earth consists of 71% of water in its surface. It is equivalent to 3.785 trillion liters or 326 quintillion gallons. The Earth's surface is covered mostly of water. It is the only terrestrial planet that is covered in water. The remaining percentage is made of landforms, such as soil, sand, and rocks. This is where we live and step on. Also, this is the place of interactions and habitat of living organisms and non-living organisms. Trees, plants, and herbs are also formed from land. It is a primary source of food for all organisms. Plants are called autotrophs. That gets its own energy from the sunlight and water to make their own food. This process is called photosynthesis. What an amazing creature! There were also species that lives on the water. Some are fishes, crustaceans, mollusks, cephalopods, microorganisms, and even amphibians. Also, there are species that lives in the air and it flies. These are the birds. They are considered as consumers. Consumers are divided into primary, secondary, and tertiary. Lastly, there were species that lives on land. Some are mammals, reptiles, and other creatures that creeps on land. These organisms interact with each other and have their own species, population, habitat, and interactions. Lastly, also the humans as a part of ecosystem that interacts with other organisms. They are the highest form of living organisms to take care of Earth's natural resources and its organisms. Consumers are also classified as predator and prey, where they hunt for their own food. The process of interactions between organisms are through food chain and food web. There were arrangement from producers to consumers. But don't forget the decomposers. They are also part of the system. They are responsible for decomposing and breaking down the dead organisms to convert to new nutrient for the producers. The end.